Hello everyone, this is Devayan and welcome to another video of MBA Talks. In this video, I'll be talking about blogging, what is blogging, why blogging is important, what are the ways in which you can start your free blogging. I'll be sharing my experience with blogging and I'll be comparing and giving my feedback on 4 of the most popular blogging platforms available. Before I start the video, if you are coming to my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel as I keep coming up with more and more marketing and business related videos for you. Your single subscription goes a long way in boosting me to come up with more and more videos for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. So what is blogging? Blogging is essentially a long form of written content that you put on your website. Now you must have searched for many other things on Google. You must have searched for anything that you wanted to learn about or you wanted to know about. Now upon pressing the search button, you must have seen many results coming to your page. If those results have written content answering your questions, they are known as blogs. Now why blogging is important? Well, blogging is important because they are the ones who will bring traffic to your website. You must have read someone's blog, you must have read people's blog and have learned about the product. And if the blogs were able to solve your queries, you had a trust on those blogs, on those sites which have successfully answered your queries. As a business, if you want to build that same amount of trust, you need to have a good blog site. You need to have blogs that specifically answer the pain points of your target market. Now, as a blogger, what are your advantages? As a blogger, you can help businesses with their blogging needs. As a blogger, you can build your personal brand, you can share your knowledge, you can build your audience and community through your blogs. Now, what are the best ways in which you can start blogging freely? I have been blogging since a long time. I have started with WordPress, then I shifted to Blogspot, then I started my blog in Medium, and I started my blog on HubPages, and I will be sharing each of my experience with you. So starting with Blogspot. Blogspot is a free medium. You don't have to create an account. Your Google account will suffice. So starting a blog on Blogspot is the easiest. The disadvantage of Blogspot is that it is not SEO compliant. So to get search engine ranking through your Blogspot blogs may take time, may not be that efficient because it is not search engine enabled despite being a platform of Google. And another disadvantage of Blogspot is that you cannot have direct followers on your page, on your blog site. You need to add another subscribe button to it. You need to add another push notification so that to collect your followers' email IDs. And that is not always an efficient method to collect email IDs. Next thing is monetization. If you're starting out and want to monetize through Blogspot, it is going to take a significant amount of time. And because building an audience is the most difficult in Blogspot, to have a significant number of footfalls on your Blogspot will be difficult, and which will make monetizing through advertisements much more difficult. So all in all, I am going to give 2 out of 5 stars to Blogspot. The second medium is WordPress. And now WordPress, I did not use that much to have a significant experience with it, but I can assure you, I have read many articles, I have read many blogs, I watched many videos claim that WordPress is a better alternative of Blogspot. You can have better SEO with WordPress with respect to Blogspot. It is again a free medium. You don't have to pay anything to get your accounts up and running, though you need to create an account. And like Blogspot, WordPress too has problems in terms of having a follower, in terms of building a community, and in terms of monetization. So out of 5 stars, I'm going to give 2.5 stars to WordPress. The third blogging platform that I'll be discussing is Medium. Now Medium is the most popular blogging site. Through Medium, you can create free account. Through Medium, you can have a better SEO. Through Medium, you can have follower base, and through Medium, you can monetize your blogs. Now there is a catch to everything that I said. Only the people who have their accounts on Medium can follow you on Medium. Now you can monetize your blog based on how many paid members have read your blog. Medium offers 3 articles per month for free to anyone subscribing to their platform. To read a more number of articles, people need to subscribe at a minimum rate of $5 per month. Only if the paid members read your blogs, you can get certain amount of money from Medium platform. Now, if you are from India, you may not be able to monetize through Medium because the payment platform, the payment gateway that Medium uses is still not active in India. So if you want to build a follower base, Medium is the best platform. But if you want to monetize, you may have to wait till the payment gateway launches its version for Indian audience. I'll be giving Medium 4 out of 5 stars. in terms of blogging experience. Now comes my most favorite blogging platform, HubPages. And before I go into HubPages, I need to give a huge shout out to Abhidev Vaishnav. He is a YouTuber who talks about freelancing, blogging, and he was the one who suggested me about HubPages. So I'll link his channel in the description. Do check out. He makes wonderful videos on blogging, and I learned a lot from him. So my personal experience in HubPages is the best. Through HubPages, it is easy to create an account. It is easy to upload. It is the best SEO compliant blogging platform, and it is the best when it comes to monetize. So the process of HubPages is that you publish your article on HubPages, and then with every time people read, the readers are exposed to advertisements on your blogs. And the moment they click those advertisements, you can get a certain portion of the money, of the ad revenue that HubPages earn. So in this way, you can earn from HubPages even if you have 0 followers, even if you are just starting out. So for every read that you get on HubPages, there is a chance you may be able to get monetized without any restriction, without any minimum requirement for number of footfalls, without any requirement from your readers, whether they are paid members of HubPages or not. So I will be giving HubPages 4 out of 5 stars. Now why I am not giving him 5 out of 5 stars is because to influence people to click on the advertisement is a challenge. Not everyone who reads your blogs clicks on your website. Another demerit of HubPages is that it is cluttered with advertisements, so your readers may not have the best experience reading your blogs. So if you want to provide them good reading experience, Medium is the one platform you need to choose. So that was the first video on blogging that I will come up with. In my future videos, I'll talk about is blogging relevant, how to get work as a blogger, and tips for successful blogging. So see you in that video. Till then, take care, keep marketing.